There is a way to make hard work as addictive as social media, and I've been using it for the past few weeks and I've seen amazing results. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can apply this no matter your age and your circumstance. So imagine I kidnap you, right? And then I push you in an empty room with nothing but a phone and a book. So it's not empty, but whatever. I put you in an empty room with nothing but a phone and a book. What are you going to choose? Well, you are going to just take the phone and scroll. But why is that? Why? Because the phone is more stimulating and fun than the book. And so your brain, how it works, that you just choose what's more fun. So here's how you make work as addictive as social media. I remember when I was so addicted to video games. Actually, I was stupid. I was addicted to watching others play video games, to watching gaming videos on YouTube. I wasn't playing the games myself because my phone couldn't do it. So I'd wake up at around 4 a.m. and download about 5 gaming videos, which were over 30 minutes, some 20 minutes long. And then later during the day, when I wanted to record videos, my mind would be debating, oh, should I record or should I watch that video? Right? So of course I chose to just watch gaming videos and not record my actual videos, and because of that my progress was stalled. I was not making any progress. Why? Because video games were the most stimulating stuff of my day, not my actual work. And then so for me to just record more videos and just do more work, I didn't need to learn how to just be more disciplined at doing the work. All I needed to do was just delete the games, and now automatically what I do, I just do the work, because the work is now the most fun thing of my day. So how have I done that? I've deleted, I stopped watching Hamza's daily videos. I stopped watching Mr. With the Boss. Imagine, that guy makes amazing videos, and now I only watch them like maybe once every 3 months when I feel like I need to. And I started watching Hamza's daily videos. Imagine, I look up to that guy. He's like my role model for now, and yet I don't watch his daily videos. But yeah, I still watch TV late, well, because they are so good. But you see the level which I've done. I've removed as many stimulating stuff from my day as possible, because for me, watching YouTube videos was the thing that was stimulating enough for me to not do the work. For you, the most stimulating stuff could be playing video games, could be watching porn. So you don't need some motivation to just do the work. All you need to do is just remove the stimulating stuff from your day, and now you just do the work, because that's what it is. Because now the work is now giving the most dopamine to your brain. So now your work is just all you do all day. The funny thing is that when I stopped listening to videos and when I stopped watching those videos without the boss and Hamza, and then I gave myself about 2 days just not doing that, for this to just, about a day or two for this effect to start to hit you. Work and recording videos becomes as fun as watching the gaming videos. So now work is as fun and addictive as the gaming videos, because now I'm bored. Now I can't just sit on my bed and just stare at the skies. So what do? I record videos, right? Now you're getting the same level of fun from just doing the hard work. By going to the gym, I'm getting the same level of fun from playing Minecraft and playing PUBG and all that stuff. So now by recording these videos, I'm getting the same level of fun as watching Hamza talk on videos. You see, fun is relative. If you just eliminate the most fun things, the thing which was below that becomes as fun as this one. Get the sense? So for me, it was watching gaming videos and Hamza and Mr. With the Boss. Then it was my work. But removing this, work came to this level, and now work is equally as fun, because I've just removed the other thing that was standing in the way. And I even banged the school to come and record this video. I didn't bang, I just left early. But you get the sense. It just shows that I'm just thinking about my work, my YouTube, I even made a video where I was talking about what happened when I stopped doing this. Like, I was still trying this out and going all in on my YouTube channel, and I made another video where I talked about what actually happened, how it felt like, what it actually looks like. I'm going to link it below. But just realizing that work become this fun is an amazing thing. So now you see Elon Musk is getting the same level of fun from working all day to Tesla and SpaceX, the same level of fun that you are getting by sitting at a screen all day and watching Hamza, Iman Gaji. Same level of fun by different things, and they're going to bring different results. You see, now it's going to get more progress and more work done while you are just there staring at screens. So here's a few actionable steps for you to take away from this video and to apply if you want to see progress, because there's a quote to say that what separates the winners from the losers is not the ideas, it's the implementation. So if you watch this video and you go and you behave like a dude who hasn't even watched this video, you are stupid and you have wasted your time. So I want you to just take actionable steps from this video and actually apply them and actually change your life. That's what matters. You get that? Good. So I want you to remove games and porn. Like, that's a whole another topic from that, but watch videos on how to stop playing games, stop watching porn. There are many videos on YouTube. I'm going to make one of my own soon enough, but for now, take action doing that, and then you stop watching daily videos. Stop watching other daily videos. Like, you get the sense? Stop watching those fun videos. Stop watching those stimulating things, Mr. Beast, and stimulating yourself, because now that's more fun than the work, right? Just find a way to just remove anything that is more fun than the work. I call this making my life boring. They call it dopamine detox, but just that's a complicated name. I just call it making my life boring. Just like that. Find a way, just make your life more boring every single day, and then you're going to see yourself just loving the work, because, well, you are bored. You can't just sit there and stare at the skies. Of course, you do the work. I did this and it was really fun. If you want to know what it actually looks like, I made a video about that. I'm going to link it below. Find it there. I'll see you there, my friends. See you at the top.